Okay, so here's the deal. So I sent you a message that the roof was leaking in the RV after you fixed it, and you're blaming me on, I guess what'd you say, that I take it off road and everything gets loose. Tell me what this has to do with getting loose over here. Here's the repair job. This is where everything's leaking. So I had somebody take a look at it. I'll send you a copy of the text message. He said it was done by an amateur. I mean, I don't know this stuff. This guy apparently worked in Indiana building RVs, and I guess whoever watches this video will determine if this is an amateur job or not. But my roof is all messed up in there, and I think my floors are messed up. But look, this is how you repaired it. That's where everything's leaking. So you put in a new antenna, and I mean, I guess if this is how it's supposed to be done, this is how it's supposed to be done. I'll pay for it to fix, but look, see, it's all mushy here. Everything's ruined. So we'll see. Do you want to take blame for this or not? Let's see what your response is going to be to this. This is how it's supposed to be fixed. But that's where it's leaking in all these. That's good. But I showed you that part right there. And everywhere around here, look at this. Here's where water gets, look at that. Here's where water gets underneath. That's the repair job that I had. I don't know, whoever's watching this video, what do you think? Is this a good repair?